Today I am going to tell something about all about India, some important GK about India. That's so important for all the examinees, all the students who are preparing for exams, and these are really helpful for them. So this is my important video for them. What is the origin of the name of Bharat? The name Bharat originates from a king named Bharat. How many states and union territories are there in India? There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. What is the area of land of India? The area of land of India is 32,87,263 square kilometer. What are the neighboring countries of India? The neighboring countries of India are Bangladesh, China, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan and Pakistan. What is the capital city of India? New Delhi is the capital city of India. Which is the largest state in India? The largest state in India is Rajasthan. Give the name of the largest desert in India and where it is located. Thor is the largest desert in India and it is located in Rajasthan. Give the name of the smallest state in India. The smallest state in India is Goa. The main river of India is the Ganga. The highest peak in India is Godwin Austen or K2 is the highest peak in India. There are so many states named. There are 28 states named. These are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Punjab, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Gujarat, Goa, Assam, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh. And there are 8 union territories. The name of the union territories are Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh, Ladakh, Delhi, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu. Some of the states I have mistaken. There are also so many states named Jharkhand, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim. Which is the wettest region in India? The wettest region in India is Moshinram. Which is the least rainy place in India? Leh is the least rainy place in India. Which line extends through the center of India? The Tropic of Cancer stretches through the center of India. Which is the largest union territories in India? The largest union territories in India is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which is the smallest union territory in India? Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory in India. What is the size of India in the world? India ranks 87th in the world in terms of area. Which is the largest lake in India? Chilka is the largest lake in India. Which is the most educated state in India? Kerala is the most educated state in India. Which Indian state has the largest population? The largest population of Indian state is Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian state hosts the lowest population? Sikkim state has the lowest population. The name of the major agricultural crops of India are paddy, jute, sugarcane, wheat and tea. The name of some major minerals of India. The name of some major minerals of India are coal, iron, manganese, limestone. When we celebrate Republic Day, the Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. When did India gain independence? India gained independence on 15th August in 1947. Which is the national sport of India? The national sport of India is hockey. Which is the national fruit and bird of India? The national fruit is mango and the bird of India is peacock. Which is the national animal of India? The tiger is the national animal of India. What is the official language of India? Hindi is the official language of India. What is the national anthem of India? The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. What are the colors of national flag of India and their significance? The national flag of India is a tricolor flag. The colors and the significance of these colors are saffron. Saffron is a symbol of sacrifice and wisdom. White is the symbol of peace and truth. Green is the symbol of wealth and friendship. Then some of the national parks of India. There are so many parks of national parks in India. The name of the parks are Jim Corbett National Park, Kanha National Park, Kaziranga National Park. Who is called the father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, is called as the father of nation. Who is the first president of India? The first president of India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is the current president of India? The current president of India is Ramnath Kovind. Who is the first prime minister of India? The first prime minister of India is Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the national idealism of India? The national idealism of India is Satya Meva Jayate. That means truth wins. What is the national sound of India? The national sound of India is Jai Hind. Jai Hind is the national sound of India. Which is the main justice of India? The main justice of India is Supreme Court. Which is the main legislature of India? Parliament is the main legislature of India. Where did the first railway track starts in India? In 1853 from Mumbai to Thane, the first railway track starts in India. What is the national symbol of India? The national symbol of India is Ashok Chakra. Who is the first Indian director who got Oscar Prize? The first Indian director who got Oscar Prize is Satyajit Roy. Who directed the function Dadagiri? The function Dadagiri is directed by Saurav Ganguly. The month February, the days because of leap year, the 29 days because of leap year. Who is called as the sheep of the desert? Who is known as the Ganga of North India? Godavari is called as the Ganga of North India is called as Godavari. Who is the Indian women who got the Nobel Peace Prize? Indian women is Mother Teresa, who won Nobel Prize. Who is the first women Prime Minister? The first women Prime Minister is Indira Gandhi. Which language is called as the official language of India? The official language of India is Hindi. Which is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata. Who is called as the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the national game of India? Hockey. Which is the largest island of India? The largest island of India is Ganga Brahmaputra Island. Who is the first women president of India? Pratibha Singh Patel. The fair Keduli occurs at the district of Birbhum in West Bengal. The center for rocket space in India is Sriharikota. Which is the present name of the port? Tamralipto. Tomluk is the present name of the port Tamralipto. which Indian singer who got Bharat Ratna? Lata Mangeshkar is such kind of singer who got Bharat Ratna. Which is the present division of West Bengal at present? The present division of West Bengal at present is 5. Which is the root of Indian system, Indian constitution? A.R. Rahman is a famous music director. The novel Agniveena is written by whom? Agniveena, the novel written by Kazi Nazrul Islam. Kodiyaattam is a dance form of which state? Kodiyaattam is a dance form of Kerala. Which is the populous union territory of India? The most populous union territory of India is Chandigarh. Which is the largest railway platform of West Bengal? Kharagpur is the largest railway platform of West Bengal. The dance Chhau is a famous dance form from Purulia. Darjeeling is famous for tea production. For tea production, Darjeeling is the most famous place. For sweet taste of tea, the island of cardamom is called as Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is called as cardamom of in the island of cardamom. So this is a video for all the examinees who are preparing for so many exams, and so many students they get help from it. So thank you very much.